have been happening all across Nebraska. While there's nothing that we can really do while the fires are burning, there are some different fire smart landscaping tips that you can do to help keep your landscape safe from wildfires. Some of those include creating a defensible space. When it comes to creating a defensible space, there are 3 zones. Zone 0 is located from 0 to 5 feet away from the house. Zone 1 is 5 to 30 feet away from the house, and Zone 2 is 30 feet to the edge of the property line. Now within Zone 0, one thing that you can do to make your space a defensible space is to include rock mulch or non-flammable mulch up to 5 feet away from the foundation. We also want to make sure that we keep our plants under 18 inches tall and that we make sure that they're kind of spread out through the landscape. If we're going to put taller woody trees and shrubs, we need to make sure that they are in Zone 1, which is 5 to 30 feet away from the house. We really want to avoid any trees or shrubs next to windows or next to the house. And we also need to make sure that our landscape is kept up where we don't have any leaves next to the foundation or any dead wood in our landscape plants. So there's a few things that you can do to keep a defensible space around your house.